Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you how you can merge this type of different PDF file into one PDF file in an easy way. So in this video, I will show you a quick solution for this. You don't need to install any software. We will do it online. Okay, so first of all, just go to your Chrome or any browser and here write I love PDF. Okay, so here this is the link is also mentioned in video description. Go to this link, that is I love PDF, and here go to the merge PDF, click on this. When you click on this merge PDF, okay, so here select PDF file, click on this and browse all the file which you want to merge. Okay, for example, my files are inside these are okay, so select all these four files, and after some seconds it will upload it. And you, the beauty of this, you will also specify the order. For example, the first one is the first order, you can also change the order. Okay, so start it from the left to right and merge these files. Okay, so at top click on the okay, bottom merge. Okay, and after that the processing is started. Okay, and it will take some time while merging. When the merging is basically finished, okay, here at the bottom you see that the file is downloading. The merged file is basically downloading, and when I click on downloaded file, here you can see that all these files, four files, are merged in one PDF file. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, just go to the video description link, and you can just go to the question link, or you can ask your question in video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.